All right, we're looking at Algebra, section 1.5, monitoring progress, numbers 7 and 8. Here, we're supposed to take the formula for the area of a triangle. That's this formula right here. Area equals 1/2 base times height. And we're supposed to rewrite it to solve for h, which means we need to isolate the h. Well, since we've got h times b times 1/2, to undo multiplying by 1/2 b, we just have to divide by 1/2 b on both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to divide by 1/2 b by 1/2 b on both sides. So that's going to give us h all by itself over here. Kind of move all this stuff up a little bit. And on the other side, we're just going to have a, oops, hold on, I put that a too low. Okay, we're just going to have a over 1/2 b. Now, it's a little unusual to leave a 1/2 down in the numerator or denominator of a fraction, so we're going to take that and get rid of it. Essentially, if you take 1/2 down in the denominator of this fraction, and I want to flip it up top, it becomes a 2. That's what we'd have to do. So what I'd be really doing is I'd be multiplying the numerator and the denominator both times 2. So I would go 2 times, and since I'm multiplying a fraction, numerator and denominator by the same number, you don't have to do anything on the other side or anything, because I'm really not multiplying this fraction by anything, because 2 over 2 is just 1. A brief explanation here. Say I had, for example, 2/3, and I multiplied it by 2 over 2. That would give me 4/6, which is the same as 2/3, same fraction. Okay? Just kind of unreduced. Okay, so that's going to leave us with 2a over b equals h. And we're done. Next problem. This is number 8. Here, we're supposed to solve the surface area of a cone. S surface area equals pi r squared plus pi r 8l. Sorry, r. Okay, so they want us to take this equation and solve it for L, which means we need to isolate the L, get it all by itself. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this pi r squared term here by simply subtracting it. So we're going to subtract minus pi r squared minus pi r squared on both sides. And that's going to give us S minus pi r squared equals pi r L. Now, we only have the only term we have left is the one that has the L in it, and we just need to eliminate these two factors here, the pi and the r. And to do that, we're going to divide by pi r. Divide by pi r on both sides. So I'm going to scooch up here a bit, and then that just leaves us with L all by itself. L times r times pi divided by r times pi is just L all by itself. And over here, S minus pi r squared all divided by pi r. And we're done. Yay! Ooh, wow, that's kind of like some sort of creepy vampire thing.